The Mumbai-Pune Expressway has proved to be a game changer, especially for auto journos like us who end up ferrying between the two cities quite often. Now, Pune is an automobile hub and Lonavala is one of our most favorite shoot locations, which means we hit the expressway almost every week. Hello?
Hey man, where are you now?
Hi Philip, what's up? I'm already on the expressway, so should be there in a couple of hours, tops.
Okay, cool. You will make it on time, yeah?
Yeah, don't worry, I won't be late, yeah? See you.
Alright, cool man. Chalo, bye-bye.
Well, spoke too soon, I guess. The Tata Nexon comes with a spare tyre, but when you're in a hurry, there's a better solution in the form of Continental Mobility Kit. Continental, as we all know, has been making tyres for over 15 decades, and the Mobility Kit is a byproduct of the expertise. The Continental Mobility Kit seals most tyre punctures to restore temporary mobility. The package consists of a tyre compressor and a sealant, and that's about it. And yes, you can use it for almost every tubeless car tyre. Using it is a simple process. Park your vehicle on a level road and engage the handbrake. If there are any foreign objects, such as nails or screws penetrating the tyre, let them be. Connect the compressor hose to the tyre valve. Shake the bottle before use. Unscrew the orange cap from the compressor and screw the bottle into the compressor. Insert the compressor into the car's 12-volt socket located at the rear or near the driver's armrest. Switch on the compressor and start pumping air to recommended tyre pressures, and that's it. It's less than a 10-minute job before you're ready to hit the road again. Now, drive the car at under 80 km per hour for about 3 to 10 km in order to distribute the sealant liquid evenly. Stop the vehicle in a safe area. Check tyre pressures again by attaching the air compressor and pump more air into the tyre if necessary. You can proceed driving for a maximum of 200 km at maximum speed of 80 km per hour. But please ensure that you get your tyre checked by the nearest workshop. Once used up, you can replace the recharge kit at the nearest OEM authorized service center or dealership. The recharge kit consists of a sealant bottle and a hose which are good for single use. Replacing them is a simple process. Unplug the bottle by unscrewing the twin bolts, remove the hose, and that's it. Fix the new bottle and hose in the exact same manner and you're set for the next adventure. Hello again, Philip.
Hey Abhishek, where are you at now?
I had stopped for a cup of coffee and I'm on my way again. I hope you're not running late, are you?
Just get here quickly, man.
Alright, see you.